How to change Genshin Impact username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply show you how you can change the username of your Genshin Impact account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now currently, if I just go ahead and open up that genshin.hoyoverse.com website, so you want to come to genshin.hoyoverse.com and you want to hover your icon over on the top right hand side of your email address. Here you can see, and then here you'll find the option called account, so just go to account. And then here, first of all, sign in with your Genshin Impact account, right? So just make sure to sign in, and here you'll be able to see your current username. If you want to change it, you should go to account security settings, but as you can see, the username is not actually changeable because it says changed. So why does that happen is because Genshin Impact does not allow you to go ahead and then actually change the username once you've set them for yourself. In the official way, there's no way you can do that. However, there is something that we can do, and we're going to contact the customer care for that. So what we're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, Frequently Asked Questions, and Contact Us. This is exactly the page where we want to go to. Just go to Contact Us, and then here you'll be able to see the support email. You just want to make sure to copy the support email right over here. And once you copy the support email, just open up a new tab and then go to your mailing service. Once you open up Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or any mailing services that you use, you want to compose a new email and you want to send it to this very email that we copied, which is support_os@hoyoverse.com. In the subject line, you simply want to enter that you need a help with a username, so just go ahead and type in username help needed, and then in the body section you just have to type in anything regarding this specific username as to why you want to change it, and some of the other verification process. You're not being able to change it from the app or website, so you want to change the username because maybe you entered an incorrect one, so you want to make sure to tell them that. And after you do that, just hit the send button, and once you hit the send button, obviously if they get back to you, that's perfectly okay, but most of the time they might also not get back to you because this is simply not the way what Genshin Impact actually allows. They don't allow us to change our username, but you should at least give it a try. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.